we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of XURUIUS mug heat press machine. Consists of the following features. Versatile and efficient heat pressing. This heat press boasts a well-sized coaster measuring 27 x 23 cm. It is suitable for 11 to 30 ounces straight cups and has the capacity to print 2 11 ounces mugs or 2 15 ounces mugs simultaneously. Easy to use. This user-friendly design makes it accessible to both novice users who are new to heat pressing and seasoned professionals seeking reliable performance. Portable and space-saving design. Compact yet robust, this heat press is perfect for on-the-go DIY enthusiasts. It is lightweight and easy to carry, making it convenient for outdoor crafting sessions. High power. The heart of our mug printing machine employing a powerful 500-watt high-power and high-precision circuit, it guarantees a persistent and uniform temperature balance. Intelligent temperature and timing. The cup heat press is equipped with a temperature control system. Once the handle is pulled down, the timing commences automatically, and a sound alerts you when the set time has elapsed. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.